first step up the mountain.
And I thought the way would be better. It looks like quite dirty.
But we're gonna make it. Harder Kulm, 2 hours, 20 minutes. Here we come, in the rain. Woo! The raincoat is sticking to my skin. But I don't want to take it off, because if I take it off, I'm going to get completely wet.
And you will get a cold.
Exactly, and I will get a cold, but it's like...
And see Interlaken down there.
She works the night by the wire.
Wow.
She's gonna stay so far away from her father's daughter. She's much alike. Oh, for baby, all on her own, no one will come. She's gotta save him. She tells him, move, love. No one's ever gonna hurt you, love. I'm gonna give you all of my love. Nobody matters like you. She tells him your life ain't gonna be nothing like my life. You're gonna grow up, have a good life. I'm gonna do what I got to do.
The river in Interlaken from up here looks so blue. When you're down there it's like but from here, amazing. It stopped raining and actually the sky is blue. Woo. Finally.
Woo! Maybe we are going to see the sun today after all. Can you keep going?
Yeah.
Then let's keep going.
Now she's got a 6-year-old, trying to keep him warm, trying to keep out the cold. When he looks in her eyes, you don't know.
Steady, go.
Go. We took a little break. No. We took a little break and now we are hitting the road again.
Hitting the road. We are hitting it.
And Alex says the clouds have opened up and you can see the mountains.
Back there.
Just there. You can see it very faintly, but there. But for now, let's get to the top.
Halfway. Woo. Just 1 hour and 10 minutes to harder Kulm. Too small?
Yeah, I can reach up there. Woo.
This just looks so cool. All the clouds running through the valley, and the big mountains back there with the glaciers on top.
It just gets better and better. I wonder what it looks like from the top.
Yeah, probably cloudy.
I was the one to judge. You said you've had enough.
This view is just incredible.
What you get is more than what you see. At first you struck me like any other girl that I could find. When you looked me in the eyes, I knew that this was right. You're a pretty girl with a pretty name, but I'm pretty sure that you're not the same. Feels like you read my mind, and there's more than meets the eye. With you, with you, with you, oh, with you, with you, with you, oh.
I think it doesn't matter what happens now, the hike was successful.
Oh,
We saw the 3 mountains. Eiger, Mönch, Jungfrau. Amazing.
we didn't think we were going to be able to see.
Yeah, because it was really cloudy. And now we're just going to the restaurant to have a hot chocolate.
We hope it's open.
You're a pretty girl with a pretty name, but I'm pretty sure that you're not the same. Feels like you read my mind, and there's more than meets the eye. Pretty girl with a pretty name, but I'm pretty sure that you're not the same. Feels like you read my mind.
After we've been watching this view for like 2 hours, it's now time to eat something.
Finally! I'm hungry.
Like always.
Pretty girl with a pretty name, but I'm pretty sure that you're not the same. Feels like you read my mind, and there's more than meets the eye. Pretty girl with a pretty name, but I'm pretty sure that you're not the same. Feels like you read my mind, and there's more than meets the eye. With you, with you, with you, oh, with you.
We are on our way back down.
After a very long, very deserved rest.
And now we're going to the lake and we're gonna go swimming.
Because it's going to be sunny the rest of the day and I'm so happy about it.
Yeah, that's cool. So all the houses in Interlaken have this slanted roof because if it's snowing, the snow needs to fall down and not stay there because snow is really heavy, you know, if it's a lot. So they're all built like this.
But it makes them look so pretty from up here.
Yeah,
They're
and
all
all
the
are
same.
red.
Back there, we just met the road makers. They are making the road new, better, more beautiful. Good work. No, you can't tell, but Alex's leg is trembling. The left one and the right one a little bit too. And he's like, I can't walk. We made it! We are down. So we're going to go grab our fondue and go to the lake and enjoy the rest of the day.